Today we are making Suspiro Limeño, a chilled Peruvian classic. This recipe serves 6 people, and the total prep time is 2 hours 30 minutes including chilling. Creamy custard, airy port meringue, and a hint of cinnamon. Let's get started. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 1 can, 14 ounces, of sweetened condensed milk. 1 can, 12 ounces, of evaporated milk. 4 large egg yolks. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. 1/2 cup of ruby port wine. 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. 3 large egg whites. A pinch of ground cinnamon for dusting. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Separate 4 egg yolks and 3 egg whites. Put the yolks into a medium saucepan, and place the whites in a clean mixing bowl. Whisk the yolks, then add 1 can, 14 ounces, of sweetened condensed milk and 1 can, 12 ounces, of evaporated milk. Whisk until the mixture is completely smooth. Cook over medium-low heat, stirring constantly with a silicone spatula, until the custard thickens and coats the back of a spoon, about 12 to 15 minutes. Do not let it boil. Remove from heat and stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until fully incorporated. Strain the custard through a fine mesh strainer into a clean bowl or a large measuring cup to make it extra silky. Divide the custard evenly into 6 small glass dessert cups, cover them, and refrigerate until fully chilled, at least 2 hours. Make the port syrup. In a small saucepan, combine 1/2 cup of ruby port wine and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Bring to a gentle boil over medium heat and simmer until reduced by about half, 6 to 8 minutes. Remove the syrup from the heat and let it cool for about 10 minutes, until it is very warm but no longer boiling. Start whipping the 3 egg whites on medium speed until soft peaks form, about 2 minutes. With the mixer running, slowly stream in the full batch of hot port syrup made from 1/2 cup of port wine and 1/2 cup of sugar. Increase to high speed and whip until glossy stiff peaks form and the bowl is barely warm, about 3 to 4 minutes. Transfer the meringue to a piping bag fitted with a large star tip, or get a large spoon ready for dolloping. Remove the chilled custards from the refrigerator and uncover them. Pipe or spoon a tall swirl of port meringue onto each cup, dividing it evenly among the 6 portions. Dust each serving very lightly with a pinch of ground cinnamon. Chill the assembled desserts for about 10 minutes to gently set the meringue, or serve immediately while cold. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. That is our chilled Suspiro Limeño, silky and airy. If you liked this video, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a recipe. Serve the air fryer sesame red bean mochi balls warm. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Thanks for cooking with me. If you liked this video, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a recipe.